Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. This in Dublin and Aventa. Credit card and the scammers. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, my pandas. Hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you scalp that like button. Thanks for joining, everyone. Just getting started here. Huge news. Huge news. Huge news this morning. I've been mentioning it since last week that this news was going to be big at 8:30 this morning, and hopefully you guys took advantage of it. I mentioned last week you should, the promo started last week, and I said, you know what, the best thing to do is, since you need 7 trading days anyways, is just purchase whatever eval you like to purchase, build up those trading days with micros until today, and when today comes, you can pass your evals in one single trade. And this is the news bar here, and hopefully some of you guys did that, and now you basically have all your trading days already completed, and you just need to wait till your funded account activates. But if you didn't do that, then most likely you just have to wait and trade a couple trading days with micros. So in my mind, if you're going to do it anyways, might as well. And also, because we had big news coming up on Tuesday, I said might as well just wait for it, because you can pass your evals in one single trade. It's that easy, pandas. That easy. Yeah, big news, right? CPI numbers I mentioned last week. It's like, if you want big news, you should wait till today, because CPI has to do with inflation. Anything to do with inflation, market is very sensitive. So, good morning, guys. Good morning. Mo7, good morning. Blacklight, good morning. Charles Wilson, good morning. He says, try my first ever news trade eval pass attempt. The account going long got filled and blown immediately. How'd that happen? I'm not sure. And the account going short didn't get filled. Ah, I see. If you're going to do a news trade, you got to do the sell bid or the buy ask. If you're going to news trade, you got to do the sell bid or buy ask. Right? Because the bid, if you do sell bid, you get filled no matter what. If you do the buy ask, you get filled no matter what. She also goes, both my accounts were failed due to trading during news. That's cap. That's cap. That's cap. I don't believe that. That's cap. For evals, I don't know. I just doubt that Apex is combing through thousands upon thousands of evals to see if someone's trading news or not. I call cap on that. I don't know about that. Marcus Vaughn, good morning. That's fake news. That's fake news. We got trap trade here. Marcus Vaughn, too patient. I did a CPI trade and had 2 shorts. And then when I closed, made me buy weird. Huh. Not sure what that means. Made me buy weird. When I closed, made me buy weird. Huh. I'm not. Interesting. Okay. Like you try to close it and then it entered you long? Is that what happened? Blue Steel, good morning. I've never had trouble with news trades. It filled a buy order even though I did not buy. Interesting. That's so weird. It is weird. I press close. Oh, when you just press close. Okay. Yeah. When you press close, something weird can happen. What you should do is flatten, right? Right click on the chart trader and flatten everything. That's a better way to do it. When you press close, what it does, it actually enters like it does something on the back side where it mimics like when it closes your position, it does the opposite. So Go said they failed his evals because his news traded. Huh. I never heard. I never had trouble with it. Scalp that like button. Yeah, I think flatten it like just basically gets rid of all orders. I may be wrong, but I feel like that it's a little better. Check Discord. Who's Go? Who's Go said they failed? GO said they failed his evals because he news traded. What's GO? Check Discord. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Same guy. Weird. Huh. I don't know. I've never seen it, but hey, if it happens, then, you guys, I gotta say this. You may fail it then. If that really happens. Yeah, I guess you got to know which news, right? They have to tell you exactly which news you cannot trade. What do you mean by news? Like, do they have somewhere on the Apex website what is meant by news? Like, which news? There needs to be specific news. Like FOMC? Okay. Is it CPI? Okay. Like, what news? They need to tell you exactly what they mean by news. They can't be arbitrary about it. I think Apex If they are going to crack down on evals, trading news, they need to tell you exactly what news you cannot trade and what it means to not be able to trade it. That's terrible. Well, I'll let you guys know. Hugh says that's actually bad for their business. They're not going to collect as many PA evals or PA fees. You got a second entry short here. Pandas. Market's about to open 2 minutes. I mean, the worst that happens is that you got to reset your evals and try to trade them without news, I guess. Second entry short here. Do I like it? I'm obviously downtrend. Do I like it? I kind of do, but the one thing about this is that one leg is above the 20 EMA. It's making this basically going in and out of the 20 EMA at this point. Could turn to a trading range here. Possible triangle. And about 1 minute to news, so I'm just going to sit on my pause here. I mean, this could be a good entry to enter short on this strong downtrend. I mean, it is a strong downtrend, pandas. Don't get me wrong, this is a very strong downtrend. But the media price action could be telling us we're starting to turn to a trading range here. Okay. At the end, I'm glad I didn't go short here. Okay, you're still safe technically. Your stop loss is one tick above this candle, and you got stopped out. And it's gone. So, good skip on our parts. If you skipped it, or on my part, because I skipped it. It's a trap trade to the long side now. I don't know. Just probably wait till market opens, see what happens. But that's a little bit tricky here. Right, that price action is quite tricky, in my opinion. Market's opening now. All right, let's see what we got. Big push down. Right, stops you out and then finally goes the way you want it to go. Only after it stops you out. Incredible. Big push down. Probably a stop loss is being triggered here for a lot of people. Okay. Possibly going short here. I'll take it. I'll take it. Right, looking for a new low, possibly. Small risk as well. Whoa, teeny risk as well. Super teeny risk here. Okay. Going really sideways now in this trade. It's teeny baby risk here. Let's see if we can make a new low of some sort. Ooh, I might get stopped out. I think the risk reward is worth it, right? New low, you're only risking like less than 2 points. Get back to the bottom trading range here. Let's get it. Get it. Chase. Hold it. Protect risk here. Alright. Out of that trade. Skunked it. Didn't want a reversal here. Could have got 2 points.
10,000 tick trap.
Reverse is kind of hard, right? That's, I mean, could have got 2 points. I wanted that new low. That's what I really wanted. Got another second entry short here, but it's basically turned to a trading range right now, right? We got 4 dojis in a row. 3 dojis in a row.
10,000
Starting to go in and
trap.
out of the 20 EMA. Getting a little bit confusing in terms of price action. In terms of market cycle here. Do I want a trap trade here? I still want a new low. I think we still want a new low here. Maybe I'll take a failed trap to go short. I think we need a new low still, in my opinion. Trap does trigger. It could be a strong move up. I still think we need a new low. What do you say? What do you think? Good morning, guys. Mawashi, good morning. Yeah, give us an update on the Discord. What happens, Goolsby? Okay, this trap's actually working very nice. Very small risk. Lots of reward here. Very small risk for a lot of reward. I was thinking we needed a new low, so I just wasn't looking for a long trade here. The $1,800 that I'm green right now is not because of news, by the way. This 1,800 was done because of Big Mama. We got Big Mama set up and was good enough for a 10-point runner. I did not trade news. These are PA accounts. These are funded accounts. I'm not trading news on funded accounts. So I did not trade. You can see my trade markers. I do not have any trade markers on news. I don't trade news with my funded accounts. The accounts that you see on the top left of your screen are all funded, so. Not trading no news for that. It's very, very risky. But Pandas, can we celebrate? We are more than halfway there to payouts on these accounts. We remember these are 150K accounts, so the minimum that you need to get payouts is $5,000, Pandas. 5,000. We are more than halfway there. I mean, that's something to celebrate now. I'll take it. I'll take it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make the next cycle, which is on, you know, until the 20th. I basically have 5 trading days to make another $2,500. That means $500 per day. Can I do it? It's going to be tough, I think. It's going to be tough. On one account, $500 a day. Jeez. That means I have to trade like 3 or 4 contracts, probably, on average, to comfortably get there. This is actually quite a strong reversal with this trap trade. Didn't think I was going to do this, but it is doing it. 10,000 tick chart. Well, let's first look at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute short chart, strong bull bar ending on its high. Daily chart, probably going to test the 20 EMA. We actually missed the 20 EMA here, so I might want to come back down to it right after breaking the all-time highs. 5-minute chart, we looked at that 10,000 tick chart, almost back to the 20 EMA, actually making itself a second entry short, A, B, C. First second entry short on the super strong downtrend. We may get a nice reversal here. Not reversal, sorry. We might get a continuation. Second entry short on the strong downtrend off the 20 EMA. 10,000 tick charts. Probably the setup I'm looking for at this point. How's about L4 setup on the 2000 tick chart? Coinciding with the second entry short on the 10K chart. Honestly, it's quite a strong move up right now. Oh, 10,000 tick. I don't know. Such a small risk on 10,000 tick chart. I'm gonna attempt it. Second entry short. 10K chart here. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Gonna let it cook a little bit. It's getting really sideways on 2000 tick. Alright, 2000 tick going super sideways here. Like super sideways. Super. Marker double bottom. Try and time it perfectly for retracement. Ooh. I was not paying attention. I wasn't paying attention, Pan, as I looked away for 1 millisecond. No! Why? I literally looked away for 1 millisecond. I missed it. Goodness gracious, Panis. I looked away for 1 millisecond. I missed my scalp here. Wow. I thought I was gonna. Panis. A little bit frustrated, but it's okay. Moving on, Panis. I looked away for 1 millisecond and I missed the trade. I missed it. It's all good. Hey, Pandas, we got plenty of trades. Plenty of opportunity. Do not fret, Pandas. Plenty of opportunity here. Let's get a fail second entry long here on the 2000 tick, shall we? I'd love to see it. I would love to see the fail. Ooh. Don't give me an outside bar reversal. Please don't give me the outside bar reversal. Please don't give me the outside bar reversal. That's all I ask. I'll do it 2 so I can get a runner here. Jeez, outside bar reversal. I can't take it. I cannot take it outside bar reversal. Even though I like it a lot. I cannot take it outside bar reversal. Just can't do it, Pandas. I cannot. And this is why I can't take it, because of this nonsense here. This nonsense right here is the reason why I can't take it. Can I get retracement is a question. I don't think I'm gonna get the retracement though. Yeah, I need the retracement back to the original entry. I'm not getting it. We're not getting anything here. Darn it! Ooh, okay, let's come back up. Okay, I'm in. I am in. I wanted the 1-to-1 and then a runner here. Trap trade. Okay, let's get that 1-to-1. I'm thinking a new low. I think we still need a new low here, pandas. This could possibly be like a trend line here. That could be blocking me. That could possibly be a reason why you skip this trade. Or skunk it even now. But it's all good. I like the premise, right? I like the break of trend, basically. Right? Some break of trend here to new high. I like this reversal spot here. Getting a 1-to-1. Ooh, almost. Ooh, we're so close.
Target filled.
Target filled. Let's go, baby. And it's gone. I'll take it. I'll take it. The 1-to-1. That's why you always protect your profits at 1-to-1, pandas. And your runners is just extra. The runners are just extra. We're rocking and rolling right now. I love it. I love the fact that we have some volatility finally. I love the volatility, pandas. What can I say? I love it. Right now, we're getting pretty choppy. May set on my pause for a little bit till we get a little more clarity here. Okay. Pushing down. Off the 20 EMA here. It's confusing, I think, personally. It's a bit confusing for me. Getting a lot of overlapping bars here now. Hard to tell what's going to happen. I mean, it looks bearish because we're staying underneath the 20 MA, but we are getting a bunch of overlapping bars. So please be aware of that. There's something to look out for. It's starting to show a little bit of congestion here. Let's try to get the 2K profits today, yeah? Can I have a 2K day today, please? $2,000 day, please. That's all I ask for. Oof. I would be very tempted to take a trap here again. It's in a little triangle here right now. It's stuck in this triangle. Bobby C with some wise words. As much as I want to see you get it, Panda, pretend you're at $0. Protect your profits. 100%. Oh, it's gonna be hard for me to skip this. It's an outside bar reversal. I'm okay. Skip it. New low finally created here. That's what I was looking for with this setup, but annoyingly had to do this little spike back up before making that new low. I wanted that trap, but outside bar reversal triggers first, and set on my pause on that. Like I said, I'd be very tempted to take a trap here if it does trigger. It just unfortunately triggers with the outside bar reversal. We make a new low here. This could be the beginnings of a reversal, but to be honest, I don't know. I really just don't know. The 5-minute has a tremendous gap right from the previous day's close and a very far distance from the 20 EMA. So, you can choose to keep going short here as well, but I like to consider that as well as a factor. Coming back up. Could be a bull leg in a trading range here. Okay. You got a first entry, pretty strong push down. Very strong push down, in fact. I don't know. What do you make of this, Panis? Should we look for shorts still? Am I looking to go short, Pandas? I don't know. Okay. What you doing? What you doing? Okay, pops up. Second entry short, Pandas. Second entry short. What's the move? What's the next move? Ooh, second entry short here. Boy, oh boy, I don't know. Do I want this second entry short is the question. Again, I don't like the fact the first leg goes above the 20 EMA here. It's funky, right? That shouldn't happen. I don't know, Panos. I want to take a fail second entry short here, get back to the top of the trading range. Is that too much to ask for? Is that too much to ask for, Pandas? Okay. 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 Okay, it's like a short, terrible signal bar. Huh. Okay, darn it. I guess I was supposed to go short there. I guess I was supposed to go short there. Pandas, what do I do? I don't know. I guess I should have gone short. I don't know. Terrible signal bar. Bottom of potential trading range. We already made a new low. I don't know, Pandas. I don't know. Could have scalped out 2 points at least. But the signal bar itself was bad enough for me not want to enter. Plus the first leg of the second entry short is above the 20 MA. This makes it feel like it looks like it'll convert into a trading range of some sort. Inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Jeez. Almost want to go short here on the inside bar. Okay. Pops up a little bit here. Don't know what to make of this. Jessica Crow, 10 a.m. reversal, quite possibly. Ooh. I don't know, Pandas. I don't know. When you don't know, you just don't know. I don't know what I don't know, Pandas. But I do know this. Today's the last day for BBM, 80% off. Make sure you take advantage of it while it lasts. Stock up on a few of them. You know, the thing is, you stock up on them now because you know that they're gonna have a reset. You know, we can expect some sort of reset deal or perhaps a 1-day pass deal after this one ends. I don't know, Pandas. I will, if there is a promo that comes up soon, I will know, soon, but I don't know right now. So, but you can anticipate it, stock up on those evals, get ready for, doubling up on those promos afterwards. Oh, and yes, if you buy eval today, and the let's say a 1-day promo starts tomorrow, as in like you can pass your evals in 1 day. Your evals that you buy today are affected by that. Triple bottom perhaps here. Man, oh man. I want to go short. I'm not going to lie. But to be honest, we're just so far away from a 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. That's what I'm like most scared about. Like this, we're so far away. And you have to consider that this is riskier to go short. Maybe in a wedge here, wedge bottom. Maybe reverse. Maybe. Don't know. It looks very choppy here though, right now. Can I say? Okay, reversing here. It's a triple bottom here. 1, 2, 3 hits. Could reverse here. Bobby, see, maybe they'll have a sweetheart Valentine's deal 90% off. They didn't give us 90% off for Christmas. They didn't give us for 90% off for New Year's. They didn't even do it for Martin Luther King. But hey, you guys think they're going to do it for Valentine's Day? Maybe it's like share an account for your lover, 90% off. Way too slow. Way too slow for that. Well, I think I missed my setup. Let's reload historical. We got a wedge bottom essentially on the 5-minute chart. Panda can dream, right? Yep, that's true. The most important holiday for trading is Valentine's Day, because every trader is reminded how lonely they are. Josiah says, my lover doesn't want me even trading. Then then forget about it. Pandas, I'll say the price action definitely got a little tricky after market open. We have a wedge bottom on the 5-minute chart. It may mean nothing, but we've basically got 3 pushes down now on the 5-minute chart. It really may mean nothing, but it may mean something. It may mean nothing, it may mean something. So I'd like to see some clarity here. It's very confusing still, in my opinion. Okay. Huh. Ooh. Second entry short. Completely overlapping bars now. Okay. Weird. I'm okay. I'm sitting my pause. This is just really, really getting choppy. Lots of overlap. It's clearly underneath the 20 MA, but it's very choppy. Lots of inside bars, lots of wicks, lots of tails. This is just telling us that, I don't know. I mean, this could really push down here. But I just don't know. I don't know if I really find a setup here. I don't know if I like this. It is a second entry short, but I don't know if I like it. I just don't know if I like it. I don't like any of it. Is this always in short? Possibly. AIS, sell the close. Yeah, sure. It could be. Again, the main thing I'm worried about is we're too far away from 20 MA. We have a tendency to come back to it. Plus wedge bottom on the 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3 pushes down. Brooks says quite possible reversal. But I think he will need to see some evidence of reversal. Maybe strong bull bar. 2 strong bull bars in a row. Some Rockies wants to look at the daily chart. Looks like this. Coming back to the 20 MA. Looks like. Just after breaking the all-time highs. And we got very close to doing a... Let's be precise here on this. We got the 1-to-1. We got very close getting to the 1-to-2 risk reward. We actually don't quite get there. Get very close. I mean, forgive me for not going short here. I can tell that this is right. This is going down. This is a downtrend right now. I can tell. Pandas, trust me, I can see it. I have eyes as well. But just looking at this price action, it is just I don't feel confident entering in. I don't. I have eyes. Trust me, I can see it. I can see it too. Yeah, we'll try to draw a trend line here. Something along these lines, probably. Channel here. I think that captures most of these points here. Something like this. Along these lines, literally.
10,000 tick trap.
Reversing up. Wow. Okay. We finally break above a previous candle's high on a wedge bottom on the 5-minute chart. Don't know. I still think we have a lot of room to go down. It's just, I don't know. Ah.
10,000 tick trap.
It's a dumb trade, pandas. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't copy me. It's a dumb trade. Don't do it. No, I can't. It's just like 4 overlapping bars, like completely overlapping. I can't. I can't, pandas. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I just see too much trading range price action right now. I just can't do it. I can't tell the difference. It's a trading range, but slanting downwards, right? It feels like a limit order market. Let's just say this. This is a limit order market, but I'm trying to find entries with stop orders. So I'm having a hard time hesitating a lot. I don't trade limit orders very often. But this is a limit order market, and I think that is clear. That's probably the clearest thing that I can say about this market right now. It's a limit order market. Five-minute triggers trap trade. It's actually a fail-sec entry long here. Believe it or not. I don't know. I just have to watch this go without us. I mean, I'm already up $1,974. Why am I complaining, pandas? I shouldn't be complaining, but really, I'm just. This is hard for me to trade this. I don't know. I want to enter a trade, but I can't. Ooh. Pushing down. Could be a hard push down. Big push down. Why not? It's a limit order market, though. It's hard for me to partake in this with stop orders. Certainly, it is on a strong downtrend. Certainly, it is. Still wedge bottom. Now we got 1, 2, 3 pushes down now. Okay.
$10,000 tick trap.
I'm going to try to take this wedge bottom. See if I can take advantage of it. Wedge bottom trade here. Very clear stop loss here. Nothing fancy here. It's a 1-to-1. Wedge bottom. Strong bull bar. Just think it's time to reverse. I might just take it out at 2 points. It's an unsustainable trade, but give me 2.5. Come on. I'll take 2.5. Please? Please 2.5? Touches my target. Doesn't quite fill me though. It's a shame. That's a shame. I wanted 2.5. And it gives me 2.5 but doesn't fill me. Three? 3 points? I'll take 3. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, pandas. Wedge bottom. Strong bull bar reversal. I mean, why not? Why not? Let's go, baby. Whew. Anyone in the chat? Anyone still watching? Am I doing this solo now? Am I trading solo here? Trap trade. Trap trade. It's a little bit far away from 20 MA here. It could be a little risky. I mean, I'm pretty happy with my gains today, Pandas. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I should shut it down while I'm ahead. No, shouldn't I? You guys still here? I appreciate it. I appreciate your engagement. Trap does trigger. DH, appreciate it. Rick Sales, I see you. Timothy Chapo, I see you. Hugh, Neil, Turtle Toes. What did you do? Trade news? No, I traded Big Mama. No news. This is PA counts. I'm not trading news on PA counts. We got the trap that does trigger and is pushing up further still. I mean, we might get that 1-to-1 on that 5-minute chart. Right, the 1-to-1 is, I think a lot of people have their eyes on that 1-to-1. Let's see if we get it though. It's a wedge bottom here, 3 pushes down, and you can see a good reversal bar here. Plenty of room back to the 20 MA. Almost. Let's see if it creates that 1-to-1. Right there. I think we just hit it. 5 minutes, just hit the 1-to-1. I guess I could have held it for the 1-to-1 at least. Mighty strong push up. Nice trap trade to the long side. It's a little far away from 20 MA. Coming back to the top of the trading range here. Marcus Vaughn. I somehow blew all my PAs today, the day after they denied my payouts. It's been real, but peace to Apex. Ah, Fallen Soldier. It's another one. Marcus Vaughn. I mean, you've been here for a long time. Can you just promise me this? Whatever you do, stay with us on this channel. DH says, this is classic Al Brooks. We have 2 channels going down. Break in the second and last one with now a new low. So we can look for longs now. We're pushing quite strong. Quite strong. Back to the 20 MA. Like I said, when you're this far away from 20 MA, like, it's hard to keep going short into this. When you know that the 5-minute likes to come back to the 20 MA eventually. Now we can create a double top here, maybe a wedge top, I don't know, something. But still, you're expecting to test the 20 MA eventually, especially after a wedge bottom like this. This is actually a classic opening for the 5-minute gap down and wedge bottom, the reversal. It happens often. If I had 2 contracts, I definitely would be looking to have a runner here. But I traded that 1 contract mainly because the risk is large, right? Like my risk at this point was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 points. Marcus Vaughn, yeah, bro, your content's great, bro. I'm just feeling real down right now. Man, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna say this. I know how you feel. And you might think I'm just trying to make you feel better by saying that, but no, I really know how you feel. As in, well, not being denied a payout, but I've been in a place where I had about 20K, more than 20K in my accounts, essentially. About probably 40K actually in my accounts. Had a bunch of 300K accounts, and they were all at payout level. And requested a payout, and there's like a little time between the payout and requesting it and being approved. And before they could get approved and they could take the money out, I busted my accounts, busted like about $40,000, let's say. I've been there. But you know what I did? I cried a little bit, just a little bit, but after I cried, I got back up. I tried it again. And eventually was able to make up that money plus more. But I understand if you need to take a break. If you need to take a break, I get it. I know it's hard. Let's just say I just think I don't think Mrs. Panda saw that stream. This is really flying up now. Tough times never last. Only tough people last. What can I say? Big bull bars. Always in long now. Looking for that 1 to 2 risk reward. We could create a double top here easily. And create the trading range. It's such a strong move up, right? It's basically a bull leg in a trading range right now. If you look to the left of the charts, we're clearly in a potential trading range here. Almost hit that 1 to 2 risk reward. Let me do it exactly, actually. The exact risk reward here is this. It's close enough. Yeah. Today has been weird. I'm not gonna lie. We had huge volatility when it came to the news, and then it started to just crawl. Really just crawl on us. Darn. Just really started to crawl on us. I mean, that trap trade ends up being beautiful trade here. Nice move up here. I think at the end, I just want to protect my profits. I'm really green right now, and so I just want to stay like that and just be happy. If we assume this is a double bottom setup, 492 would be the breakout point. Target would be 5001. Interesting. Second entry long? Quite possibly. Or not. First entry only. Very cool. It's the second entry long here, yeah. I mean, most of it has a good point. It's such a strong move up. Break a trend, looking for a new high. So the second entry long makes sense here. It actually does make sense. The main thing is you gotta be careful of the market cycle here. If we're in trading range, then we could be at the top of the trading range. Essentially here. We actually have room up to it, huh? Maybe worth taking. It's a higher low, second entry long. It's not the prettiest, I'll say that much. It's definitely the prettiest one. Okay. It's not inside bar. Second entry long, looking for a new high. Not only am I looking for a new high, but I don't mind if I lose this. Because maybe I made too much money today. And that consistency rule. Let's lose a little money today. Make it easier to get the payouts. I feel like this will need to be the proper risk here for this trade. 1, 2, 3. Let's get to the top here. I'm looking for a new high essentially still. I think this is the proper pivot to use in this situation. This one or this one. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically, this is the swing stop you need to use. Lean into your mistakes. Oh! Give me a retracement, I wouldn't mind that. I'll take the retracement. Actual risk here was this. Proper stop was here, huh? Hadouken! Oh shoot, I have an order up here. Pandas, why don't you tell me about that order up there? I'm making too much money, Pandas. I mean, I'm making too much money right now. Have you ever had that issue when you make too much money in one day? I gotta start losing some trades, Pandas. Let's go. If I had used this stop, I would have been stopped out, and then you could have re-entered here. I used this stop down here. Could have used this one, still been okay. New high is created now, so let's see if this double tops and goes back down. Could be very possible. Hugh says my 1-to-1 bar 10 and bar 11 hit to the tickaroni. Congratulations. Let's get it. Get that bamboo. Okay, high or low. This could still be in an uptrend here. Okay. Keep going up. Sure, why not? Okay. Snaps back down. Very interesting. Hmm. Not sure, pandas. It's going back to a crawl again. Alright, pandas. Hey, don't forget to use code BBM for 80% off. Made some gains today. Made some good bamboo. We got some nice trades. The big ones, of course, was Big Mama was the one that got me the most gains. Big Mama with a 10-point runner. You can see my trade markers, pandas. I'm very, everything's verified here. And then I took a second entry short, 3 points here. Then went short here, skunked that trade. Ended up being a good skunk. Short here, make the 1-to-1. Go long here, make the 1-to-1. Go long here, make the 1-to-1. And yeah, I mean, I can't complain. We made some bamboo today, pandas. Pandas, don't go on tilt, please. I know it seems like a lot of you guys are having a hard time right now, and I mean, it makes sense. The markets have been pretty tough, so I just feel like a lot of you guys may be feeling down, which is okay because it happens to the best of us. I think that if you're feeling so down that's affecting your trading, take a break. Take a break. I've taken a month break before, pandas, and I've come back. When I come back, and when you come back after a month break, you realize just how much mental capital you restored. Like, you think the weekend is enough to restore mental capital? It's not sometimes. Sometimes you need that month, and then like the market is just, you just see just so much clarity in the market where you before could not see. But hey, pandas, I'm just saying, look out for yourself. Look out for the best of your interest, long-term interest. And this is a lifelong journey. So pandas, you might feel down today, but hey, when you become profitable, this time in your trading journey will feel like nothing. It will be like a distant past, and it will be almost comical. Alright, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the mainstream. And hope to see you guys there. And yeah, trade safe, everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.